In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Planner link. If you need to quickly send someone access to a plan in Microsoft Planner, the good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a few clicks. This is useful when you want teammates to open the exact plan you're working on without having to search for it manually. To begin, make sure you already have the correct Microsoft Planner plan open on your screen. It's always a good idea to double check that you're inside the right plan before sharing anything, especially if you manage multiple boards or projects. That helps prevent confusion and makes sure you're sending the correct destination. Once you're inside the plan you want to share, go to the top area of the planner interface and click on Share. This opens the sharing options for the plan. If you don't immediately see it, look carefully near the upper part of the page where Planner keeps collaboration and access-related controls. The Share option is what you'll use anytime you want to distribute direct access to the current plan. After you click Share, look for the option labeled Copy Link to Plan. Click that option to copy the direct link. At this point, the plan's URL is placed on your clipboard, which means it's ready to be pasted wherever you need it. For example, you can paste it into a chat message, an email, a document, or a team conversation so other people can open the same planner board directly. As a helpful tip, once the link is copied, consider pasting it somewhere briefly just to confirm you grabbed it successfully before sending it out. That can save time if you're moving quickly between apps. Also, keep in mind that copying the link does not always change permissions by itself. People still need the appropriate access to the plan in order to open it. So if someone tells you they can't view it, you may need to check their membership or sharing settings within your Microsoft environment. And that's it. To share a Microsoft Planner link, simply click Share, then click Copy Link to Plan, and paste that link wherever you want to send it. It's a fast and convenient way to guide others straight to the right plan and keep collaboration moving smoothly.